Stickers can really liven up your videos. Start by opening InShot. And go to the video section. I'm going to add a new video. Pointing here, and here, and here. To make the arrow appear next to each of my fingertips, start by opening the sticker section, which is the smiley face right here. And click on Add Sticker. And you can see there's a whole bunch to choose from, but I like the arrow. So there. Now I'm going to drag through the video timeline to see where I point. Ooh, I point there. So I'm going to click on the yellow sticker part of the timeline and drag it through to the white line because that shows where the video is right now. Things like pointing here and here. Okay, so it popped up at the right time, but not in the right place. So to fix that, click on the arrow in the timeline. I'm going to drag it over to my fingertip right there. Now let's check that again. Pointing here and here.